Easy Maker Mattress. Make changing sheets easier than ever with the Easy Maker mattress raising system. This innovative gadget helps you lift your mattress effortlessly, allowing you to change sheets without the struggle. With an 800-watt air pump and 1 mm flocked PVC bladder, the system gently lifts your mattress, enabling you to remove old sheets and fit new ones without strain. This minimizes back and muscle strain and makes the process quick and painless. If you forget to lower the mattress, it automatically lowers after 8 minutes. Operate the system with ease using the wireless remote control. Say goodbye to awkward lifting and painful tucking. Alyfini Electric Face. Introducing the Alyfini Electric Face Scrubber, the ultimate tool for deep cleansing and radiant skin. Let's talk about what makes this device so special. Made from food-grade silicone and ABS resin, the Alyfini Electric Face Scrubber combines durable materials with cutting-edge technology to deliver unparalleled results. This sleek, battery-powered brush is designed to fit comfortably in your hand. With dimensions of 2.36 by 1.69 by 6.29 inches, it's compact and portable, perfect for both home use and travel. One of the standout features of the Alyfini Electric Face Scrubber is its deep cleansing capability. The silicone bristles, paired with efficient sonic vibrations, work with your favorite facial cleansers to create a rich, smooth foam that removes makeup, dirt, and excess oil. The result, 24-hour hydration and a non-greasy feel. This device also offers personalized pre-shave solutions. With a nose brush head and 5 vibration intensities ranging from 11,500 to 6,900 revolutions per minute, it caters to all skin types: oily, dry, combination, and even sensitive skin. The nose scrubber ensures thorough cleansing of hard-to-reach areas like the nose and eyelids, making your shave smoother and more comfortable. Worried about charging and water exposure? The device boasts a sealed DC charging port that prevents moisture and dust from entering. A full charge takes just 1 hour and 40 minutes and lasts up to a month with daily use. Plus, with its IPX7 waterproof rating, you can safely use it in the shower without any hassle. Yeelight Cube Smart Lamp. Next, we have the Yeelight Cube Smart Lamp, an extraordinary modular lighting solution that brings your creative ideas to life. This unique ARGB desktop setup allows you to combine 3 different lighting modules into endless combinations, giving you endless possibilities. Create beautiful lighting effects for your music and games, or use it as a digital clock or emoji display. This lamp offers you the ability to synchronize your lights with your favorite screen content, immersing you in stunning, customizable ambiance. Not only is it incredibly versatile, but it's also a great conversation starter, bringing character and a personalized touch to any room. Design the perfect lighting arrangement for your home with the Yeelight Cube. NEMO Stargaze Reclining Camp Chair. Next up is the NEMO Stargaze trademark reclining camp chair, a clever rocking chair that offers ultimate comfort on any surface. Its low center of gravity provides excellent stability, while the chair's curved vertical supports and spacious headrest make it ideal for broad-shouldered individuals. The chair's automatic tilt system ensures continuous comfort by adapting to your movements. Constructed with aircraft aluminum, the frame handles loads up to 136 kilograms and is available in 5 colors. Get yours for $300 and enjoy a new level of relaxation on your camping trips. Whether you're stargazing by the campfire or enjoying a sunset by the lake, the NEMO Stargaze Reclining Camp Chair will make your outdoor experience more enjoyable. Feier Treadmill Star 100. Transform your home gym with the Feier Treadmill Star 100. This versatile treadmill offers a dynamic workout variety and robust performance. With 36 preset programs, each simulating real motion scenes, you'll never get bored. Powered by a 2.0 GP motor, it supports up to 265 pounds and offers a maximum speed of 11 miles per hour with a 1 to 12% incline adjustment. The foldable design with wheels and a brace makes it easy to move and store, occupying minimal space. Get the most out of your home workouts with the Star 100. Enhance your fitness routine with the Feier Treadmill Star 100. Psync Camera Genie. Upgrade your home security with Psync Camera Genie S, a GPT-enabled AI security camera that provides detailed descriptions of events happening in its view. Unlike traditional security cameras that only send movement alerts, Psync gives you meaningful updates in real time. With 2K image quality, dual pan, zoom, tilt capabilities, and two-way audio, you can see and hear everything clearly. Imagine receiving a detailed update on your phone about exactly what is happening in your home, rather than just a vague alert. Feel secure knowing Psync is watching over your home with precision and intelligence, providing you with peace of mind whether you're at home or away. Wonder Fitter meet Wonder Fitter, the smart virtual archery device that combines the fun of a Nintendo Wii with the precision of Legolas from Lord of the Rings. With real recurve bows and defiring arrows, Wonder Fitter offers a true-to-life archery experience that makes you feel like a medieval warrior without the risk of accidental injuries. Always wanted to be in the Hunger Games without the danger? Now's your chance. And it's the perfect time to invest in some tights. Archery in your living room is way more exciting than yoga. If your spouse or roommate complains, remind them that archery is a sport, not a cry for help. Wonder Fitter's advanced sensors and immersive gameplay make every session thrilling, transforming your living room into an archery range where you can practice your skills and improve your aim. It's not just exercise, it's a journey into a world of adventure and fun. Next Watch's Arctic Ice Limited Edition Watch. Now, let's turn our attention to the Next Watch's Arctic Ice Limited Edition watch. Inspired by Norway's largest glacier, this timepiece is more than just a way to tell time. It's a statement of style and sophistication. Powered by Miyota's premium automatic movement, this watch boasts accuracy and reliability, with a no-date 24-joule automatic movement ensuring precise timekeeping. With a water resistance of up to 100 meters and carefully sourced materials, including genuine leather straps, stainless steel case, and high-quality craftsmanship, the Arctic Ice Limited Edition watch is built to withstand the elements while exuding elegance and charm. Whether you're exploring the great outdoors or attending a formal event, this limited edition watch is sure to turn heads and spark conversations. Lion Mini Battery Solar Freezers. Next up, we have the Lion Mini Battery Solar Freezer, your ultimate companion for on-the-go chilling and freezing. Whether you're embarking on a road trip, camping adventure, or tailgating party, this portable freezer ensures that your drinks and snacks stay refreshingly cold or frozen, no matter where your travels take you. But what sets the Lion Mini apart is its versatility and convenience. Thanks to its ice-free technology and compact design, it fits seamlessly into your car and stays right by your side as you drive. Plus, with multiple charging options, including solar, DC, and AC, you can keep it powered up and ready to go wherever you are. And with a built-in 193-watt power bank, you can even charge your devices on the fly, ensuring that you stay connected and powered up no matter where your adventures take you. So whether you're a weekend warrior, a camping enthusiast, or simply love exploring the great outdoors, the Lion Mini Battery Solar Freezer is the perfect companion for your next adventure. With its compact design, versatile charging options, and spacious storage capacity, it's the ultimate solution for keeping your drinks and snacks cool and fresh, no matter where life takes you. So pack up, hit the road, and make the most of every moment with the Lion Mini Battery Solar Freezer. Sharge Capsule Gravity. Meet the Sharge Capsule Gravity, the ultimate efficiency tool for your modern lifestyle. With its innovative time management feature and high-speed charging capability, this productivity timer is your perfect companion for work, play, and everything in between. Whether you're juggling multiple tasks or simply trying to stay focused, the Sharge Capsule Gravity has got you covered. Plus, with its ultra-portable design and versatile compatibility, you can take it with you wherever you go, ensuring that you stay charged and productive no matter the situation. Whether you're working from home, traveling, or enjoying some leisure time, the Sharge Capsule Gravity is there to help you make the most of every moment. CREN MC01. Need to see and party in the dark? Check out the CREN MC01 lantern speaker. With 25 lighting modes and TWS sound, this gadget offers 8 functions, including dual pairing modes and various mounting accessories. Create a music synchronized light show to elevate any gathering, or use it for outdoor fun with its waterproof rating of IP65, making it perfect for all weather conditions. Imagine setting up camp, and as the sun sets, the CREN MC01 transforms the surroundings into a vibrant dance of lights and sounds, and zintes. The CREN MC01 even doubles as a power bank and offers over 37 hours of battery life, ensuring your adventures are never cut short. It's not just a lantern or a speaker, it's an experience enhancer, bringing light, music, and joy to every occasion.